Okay, somebody's completely pooped out. We've been snoring a little bit. This is what happens every night. I watch TV. And Vicky falls asleep. And he'll stay asleep right next to me here until it's time for me to go to bed and I wake him up. Huh. You tired, Mick? Yeah. That's the lights out for little boy. That's it. I don't know how I could lay like that. But you can.